Starting around 03 October 2023, generally spell really tokens certainly is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely critical. Spell generally has in every practical sense, complete market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, which truly is very huge. This truly makes explicitly spell pretty token, spell, especially positioning at 370 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of huge manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the spell essentially token cost expectation end of 2023, what will fundamentally spell in every way that really matters, token by and large be exceptionally worth in 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Is for the most part spell pretty token a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very critical. Will fundamentally spell cost essentially outperform its untouched high, or so they thought. These especially are especially spell pretty symbolic cost expectations for spell's future in an essentially significant manner. Spell genuinely token, spell, value expectation 2023 as per the spell in every way that really matters, token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell value sort of is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal especially least value worth of spell essentially token toward the finish of the truly current year ought to for the most part be $0.0005495, which by and large is very huge. Besides fundamentally spell can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.000598828, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell token, spell, value figure August 2023, the spell genuinely token, spell, cost for August 2023 may by and large arrive at a truly least worth of $0.000452774, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $0.0005094, which sort of is genuinely critical. The sort of typical cost for by and large spell is somewhat anticipated to reach $0.000495119 in August 2023. Spell value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of explicitly spell token, sort of is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.000491442, or so they for the most part thought. The spell commonly token value worth can explicitly arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.000529914, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars in a kind of significant way. Spell extremely token, spell, value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of truly spell fundamentally token especially is basically anticipated to essentially arrive at a really normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0.000549774 and a by and large least of $0.000511558. Spell especially token, spell, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, spell in every way that really matters, token cost generally is conjectured to arrive at a kind of the most minimal cost of $0.0005274.9, which is very critical. The spell cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.0005796, with the all things considered, normal expected cost around $0.000546636 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell in every practical sense, token, spell, value estimate December 2023, the spell in every practical sense, token, spell, cost for December 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a really least worth of $0.000549935, while the truly most extreme gauge value sort of is around $0.000598828, which especially is genuinely critical. The kind of typical cost for by and large spell truly is for the most part anticipated to reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Starting around 03 October 2023 for the most part spell pretty token basically is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, showing how in every way that really matters, spell pretty token, spell, value expectation November 2023, concerning November 2023. By and large spell commonly token cost basically is conjectured to arrive at an especially the least cost of $0.0005274.9 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell certainly has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, which truly is very critical. This generally makes for the most part spell essentially token, spell, kind of positioning at 370 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the spell exceptionally token cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense spell token explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they certainly thought. Is somewhat spell truly token an excellent venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they especially thought? Will fundamentally spell cost truly outperform its untouched high, which generally is very critical? These really are in a real sense spell sort of token cost expectations for spell's future, which truly is very critical. Spell fundamentally token, spell, value expectation 2023 as per the spell, especially token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the spell value sort of is supposed to generally cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal especially least value worth of basically spell really token toward the finish of the truly current year ought to by and large be $0.00054,935 in a significant manner. Besides spell can basically arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.00059,828 in an especially significant manner. Spell in every practical sense, token, spell, value figure August 2023. The spell most certainly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may in every way that really matters arrive at an essentially least worth of $0.0004527.4, while the by and large greatest determined cost most certainly is around $0.00050,934 in a very significant manner. The typical cost for the most part spell in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to especially reach $0.00049,519 in August 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Spell value gauge September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of especially token generally is determined to in a real sense be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.00049,142.